and then that's where we'll obviously get long here. So this zone is 78 ticks deep because again, gold is denominated in dimes, so that's 78 ticks at $1 a tick. So that's $78 of risk per contract. Okay, so up here, that 50% of the measured move is giving us approximately 2.7 to 1. Okay, that's 210 ticks there. Okay, so that's just roughly about 2.7 to 1. So that's where the setup is. Okay, so I want to show you something mechanically about using this particular platform. And this only took me about a year to figure this out. So I'm kind of embarrassed, but nonetheless, I'm going to show you something that I think is kind of useful. At least it was to me. It'll take me about 3 minutes to do. Some of you at the end of this will go, thanks, Mitch. And some of you may say, you know what? That's 3 minutes of my life I'm never going to get back. So I don't really know. We'll see how this works. Um, so I'm going to blow this up a little here. And if you notice,